Imagine you could connect everyone, everywhere. Wherever you go, just take your Linchpin Intranet with you. Read your company's news from different departments personalized for you. Directly talk about these topics with your colleagues. What's a hot topic? Stay on top of things with the interactive elements of the Linchpin app and be part of the conversation from the road. There's going to be an interesting event? With the app, you will always know what's planned. And just a click away, you see whom you'll meet there. Find contact info and many other important information in the profile of your colleagues. And of course, you can call directly from within the app.